Today, I want to take care of my little princess hair. Her hair is feeling so dry, and it's started. Why your hair is dry, definitely is breaking. So, I want something that will make it very soft naturally. So, I decided to make this simple, easy hair mask for hair so that it will help her to protect her hair. But the result was really shocked me, guys. I was not expecting it. So stay tuned with me. I will take you guys step by step how to prepare and how to apply it. So first, I'm putting my oats into my bowl. Oats, I'm going to blend it in the powder form. One, you can soak it before blending it, or you can cook before blending it, or you also can do it the way I did mine. So that one is up to you. Decided how you want it to be. Okay, so right now, after blending it, the next thing that I'm going to do, I'm pouring it back to my bowl. So when you pour it back in your bowl, this is the time that you can I'm just showing it to you guys. Now it's powder now, so it depends of your blender. If your blender can make it a very powder, it's good. You can do it the way I do. If not, you can also soak it before blend it. So I added my water inside right now. So what I'm going to do, what we need here is the oat milk. Yes, you heard me right. Oat milk. Oats, the one that people are eating, that one I'm going to use for this hair mask. Guys, I was not, it's really surprised me. It's really surprised me the end of the video. After I applied it to my daughter, I was not even, I don't know, I was speechless. But anyway, let's continue. So right now, after pour it inside, you have to get a strainer, something that will strain it very well to get the pure milk without having any particles inside. So I use my filter to filter it to get the clean milk. So the next thing that I'm adding, I'm going to add cornstarch on. So now our next ingredient is cornstarch. I'm adding cornstarch on it. So while you are adding your cornstarch, please always be careful, okay? Because you have to be careful without getting some lumps inside. So, and also after doing like this, also you put it on fire. When you put it on fire, make sure your hands is on fire all the time, because if you just leave it a little bit, give a little bit chance, you will not recognize your face in your hair mask again. And also this one is very, very good, because for me, to be honest with you guys, you need to see the result. Is going to shock you. Please, if you love natural hair, comment yes, let's grow our hair together. Okay, let's grow our hair. Or will you love to try this hair mask? But before you will try it, stay tuned and see how I'm going to apply it to my little girl, how her hair is looking, and after that, how her hair, the result also is going to shock you people. I want you guys to see the result of after applying it. So now the next thing that I'm going to do is to strain it. As you guys can see, there is a lumps inside, because after all that, my hands, you guys can notice that my hands was just on the fire, but still I still get some lumps. So when you strain it, you will get a very smoothed cream. That is what we need, because I don't want anything to be disturbing me. Although it's not like particles, you will feel some, but still, listen, I don't want it to be inside of my cream. I just need a very smooth cream. So that's why I'm straining. So if you also do yours, try to strain no matter what. Try to strain it again for the lumps not to follow and be inside your hair mask. Okay, so now after straining it, I will definitely going to add some few ingredients inside. It depends of, because it's my daughter, that is why I'm making this hair mask. So I'm not adding, there are some oils that I'm not going to add. So I'm adding sweet almond oil inside. Okay, sweet almond oil inside is very, very good. And also my vitamin E oil that I'm adding inside, those things are very good. Sweet almond oil is promoting hair growing and reducing hair breaking, so it's very, very good, and it's good for those who have a low prostate hair. You can use sweet almond oil to infuse the oil if you have low prostate hair. It's very, very good. So after sweet almond oil, vitamin E oil and honey. Vitamin E Vitamin E oil, if you guys notice, I always promoting talking about vitamin E oil because those who have damaging hair, if you have damaging hair and you are using vitamin E oil, it's going to help you to repair your hair damaging hair. It's also boosting hair growing and adding thickness to your hair. So vitamin E oil is also one of the powerful oils that I'm going to say anytime when you are doing treatment, try to be adding it into your hair. Why honey also is locking moisture to your hair and helping your hair to, if your hair is dry, or your scalp is dry, it's going to help you to make it more soft and clean for you. Honey also is having antioxidant and asthma. It's also having vitamin B. So honey is very, very powerful and it's good while you are using it for your head. So my people, now it's time for us to apply it to my daughter hair. As you guys can see how princess hair is looking so dry, right? Yes, I washed it about 1 hour ago, but still her hair is looking so dry and rough. So that's why I make this simple hair mask for us to use it and see how it's going to what is going to happen, because this is my first time using this hair mask. I'm seeing one of our sister using it, but I say no, today that's the simple and easier way. I'm also have it because she always eating that thing and oats and yogurt. So I say, why not? Let me just use her oat and transform her hair also, not only her stomach all the time. Let us use and transform her hair also. So I make it. So right now her hair is very clean and it's still damp, so I don't need to hydrate it. But if your hair is dry, you need to hydrate it before apply your hair mask. And also try to make sure that before applying your hair mask, try to do what? To wash your hair. Make sure your hair is clean before you apply this hair mask. My people, I haven't do anything. This is just the beginning, but my hands, the way my hands is feeling, no, I really love what my hand is feeling. The feelings of my hand, I'm enjoying it. But we just begin. I am enjoying it. Seriously, I know this thing is going to be amazing hair mask for the year for us. It's going to be a different hair mask for us for 2026. So now I'm applying it to my daughter. Please let me know, have you also have your princess or you watching me right now, your hair, is it so dry, or your children hair is dry? If so, try this hair mask. You see the step that I took you people, I just, that place I did not forward anything, I just take you step by step for you people to see everything. It's very simple and easy to make. And do not worry about the oils that I put inside. You can put any carrier oil of your choice inside, okay? And if you are going to wondering vitamin E oil, you can get vitamin E capsule for the pharmacy and put maybe 1 or 2 inside, or you can skip that part. Honey, you can add honey, or you can skip it and add glycerin, or you can just skip everything without adding anything. So my hands is still, is already started feeling it. I'm feeling something on my daughter hair. So this is so good. To be honest, I'm also love doing natural things because like it's very safe for children. It's very safe for children and it work. Whoever say natural things are not working, the person is not telling the truth, or the person is not doing the right way. It's two things, whether the person is not telling truth or she's not doing the right way. Because definitely if you are not using the natural ingredient in the right way, you will never get the result. That's why I always said that you guys should be patient and watch the video. Whoever that the video you are watching, try to watch it to the end so that you will notice a lot of things. You understand what the person is doing and even like it and comment something, so that anytime when you need that video, you can just go to your own history, the like page side, to check for that video and watch it again if you are going to make the same video, so that it's going to be easier for you. Because this hair mask, I know that natural things has working. My hair, I have never get this, the length that I'm holding, and my hair has never grew up to that length. In the natural hair, no way. unless maybe when I was using relaxer, and relaxer is only, that thing is even damage my hair. I know maybe is that one is even damage most of my hair, relaxer. So that's why I say no, I don't need to talk about any relaxer again or introduce my daughter hair to it. My daughter hair need natural things, and when I started using the natural thing, it's working for my daughter also. The result even is saying, because like it's not like some people, I know some people, we don't have hair, but the hair is not like we don't have hair, we don't know how to maintain it. So if you know how to maintain your hair, definitely you will start getting, thicker and long hair. So my daughter hair now, is amazing, and it shocked me. I even cut her hair. I know this is not the real hair of her. I cut it because I was start to find difficult for washing her hair. And I know very soon, because I understand her hair, our hair body language. I understand it. I know her hair body language, and I know my own hair body language. So I cut her hair. I know short term I'm going to grow the hair back again. So I'm not wondering, or I'm not worried, and I'm not regretted for cutting her hair, because this treatment that I used to grow her hair, the same treatments that I'm going to use to bring the hair back again. And also, if you are wondering why did I cut it, I cut it because I was finding it difficult to wash her hair. It was not easy for me. It was difficult for washing it. So I cut it small so that it will be easier when the hair is not much again, so that it will be easier for me to be washing it. Now we finish. I'm going to allow her sit 20 to 25 minutes, so that I'll take her and go and wash her hair and come back here. So stay tuned with us and let me wash it and come back. Also, let me know, have your princess hair also dry like this before, or you yourself, as your hair dry like that? Let me know in the comment section. And will you love to try oats hair mask? Say yes, I would love to try oats hair mask. Oats hair mask, I would love to try it. Let me see it in the comments below. Okay, do not forget to give me thumbs up if you really love what I'm doing, and if you love natural hair, give me thumbs up. And also, if you haven't subscribed, try to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for the future videos. Princess is saying bye bye, but we are not going, because I will bring her back for you people to see the result of her hair. Her hair, guys, is unbelievable. I was really shocked, really shocked. Here we are now after washing her hair, guys. You can see things has changed, right? Things has changed. Look at her hair. Look at how her hair is looking, my people. Her hair is not bad like that. As I say, I cut her hair, but still it's not bad. It's not bad. It's not like I just remove everything, but I just cut it to be able to be washing it easier. And look at how her hair softness. Look at the softness. So soft, so smooth, healthy. This is this is how I love natural things. That is why I love natural things, because using it on her hair is so. I love natural things. I love natural care for my princess and myself. I love natural care for my princess and myself, because it's very beautiful. It's helping us a lot. Look at her hair, my people. Just be honest. Will you love to try it or not? Give it a try and come back to thank me. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate you all. To our returning subscribers, guys, we cannot take you guys for granted. I really appreciate all of you. You guys are doing amazing thing for us. Without you guys, I don't think we can sit here. But mind you, before you subscribe, what we do in this channel is for how we can do to remove our dark spot, glow our skin, and grow our hair. That is very important, because growing your hair is important. Growing your skin, glowing your skin also is important. Hair grow and hair care, face glowing and hair growing is very beautiful. When you have a beautiful face, you need to have a beautiful hair. If you have a beautiful hair, you need to have a beautiful face, right? So that is why we are working with those two things. So when you subscribe, that is the things that you will see in this channel, whether it's going to be face mask, face care, skin care, or hair care. So those things that I'm doing in this channel. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate all of you. Please try your best to try Oat Mask. It's very, very important. It's very good. And I know if you try, you will never going to regret it. You won't regret for using it. Bye bye until our next video. Bye. We love you all. Bye bye.